Hey everybody, this is Pastor Larry.
And Tiz.
And we just want to bring you a word of encouragement. You know, during this time, we're not only talking, everybody's not only just talking about the coronavirus, but everybody's talking about the economy.
Right.
But God says that my ways are far above the world's ways. In a time when everybody's trying to bring fear, remember, God has not given us a spirit of fear, but a power, love, and a sound mind. Ancient Jewish wisdom tells us that whenever he's getting ready to bless us, he first
gives us a chance to be a blessing.
Yeah. And the word for doing good to someone is a mitzvah.
Yeah.
It's an act. The word mitzvah means a commandment, but the greatest commandment, the greatest blessing, is doing good for somebody else.
Yes,
and ancient Jewish wisdom says when you do good for somebody else, in Hebrew it says it energizes your soul. And I love this, Tiz. In ancient Hebrew it says when you do good for somebody else, it defeats fear, and it defeats anxiety and depression, and it energizes your soul.
That's
you know, everybody's staying at home. We have 1,200 Holocaust survivors in Haifa, Israel that are staying home. Let me encourage you that don't give in to fear, but do a mitzvah. Help us feed these Holocaust heroes as they're in their home. And when we do good for somebody else, it will. I feel energized just talking about it. It'll energize your soul. It defeats fear and it defeats depression because God's not given us a spirit of fear. I'm Pastor Larry.
I'm Tiz.
And we're praying for you guys.
Yes, we are.
Your best is yet to come.